अपनी ईटिंग क्रेविंग्स के लिए मैं कुछ हेल्दी ऑप्शंस इंस्टामार्ट से शॉप कर रही थी एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड सम ऑफ यू. पैकेट भी फट गया एनीवे. So these are all from 2Yum. No palm oil. No. So, but what caught my attention is this brand Noise. This is Swiggy's in-house snack brand, I think. These are also made without using any palm oil. Also, these are made in fresh, small batches. You can definitely give these a try. Different types are available here. These are tapioca chips. These are banana chip. Also, I got something sweet. Peanut chicky. Yeah. Do try these from Instamart.